Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best heavy-duty detergent is probably one of the most essential items in any household, especially for those tackling tough stains, persistent odors, or simply aiming for a deeper clean that standard detergents can't always achieve, making it a crucial ally in maintaining the freshness and longevity of your fabrics, from work clothes to everyday wear, ensuring that every wash cycle contributes to a noticeably cleaner and brighter wardrobe. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Discover a revolutionary way to do laundry with Earth Breeze. These innovative sheets offer a powerful clean without the plastic jug. Our eco-friendly formula tackles tough stains and odors, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. It's gentle on your skin and the planet. Forget messy liquids. These compact sheets are perfect for travel and easy to use in any washing machine, hot or cold. Each package provides 60 loads of powerful, liquidless cleaning. Experience a fresh scent that revitalizes your laundry. Designed for sensitive skin, these sheets provide a deep clean without harsh chemicals. Enjoy brilliantly clean clothes with every wash. Make laundry day simpler and more sustainable. Just toss a sheet in and let it work its magic. What we like? This option offers a revolutionary eco-friendly approach to laundry. Its liquidless sheets are incredibly convenient for travel and reduce plastic waste. If you prioritize sustainability and a minimalist laundry routine, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These detergent sheets are incredibly convenient to pack, fitting easily into luggage, backpacks, or travel organizers without the bulk or mess of liquid detergent. The cleaning performance was also better than expected. Clothes came out fresh, clean, and with a pleasant scent. I love the sustainability features this brand has. They dissolve well. I have used them on small loads with delicate items on cold often and have no issues. Number 4. Tide Hygienic Clean Heavy Duty Power Pods. Introducing Tide Hygienic Clean Heavy Duty Power Pods. These powerful pods are designed to tackle both visible and invisible dirt, leaving your clothes exceptionally clean. Experience 10 times the cleaning power in every wash. Our advanced formula penetrates deep to lift away grime and odors. Achieve a truly hygienic clean for your laundry. It's specifically formulated to combat unseen impurities, ensuring freshness. Enjoy the classic, refreshing original scent with every load. It leaves your fabric smelling great after washing. The convenient pod's design makes laundry simple. Just toss one in for a powerful, effective clean every time. Whether it's visible stains or invisible dirt, these pods are your solution. They provide a reliable and thorough clean for all your laundry. What we like? Experience a powerful clean that goes beyond what you can see. These pods are designed to combat both visible and invisible dirt, ensuring a truly hygienic wash. If you're dealing with stubborn grime and want a no-fuss, effective solution, these pods are ideal. What people say. Tide Power Pods Hygienic Clean removes odors, cleans fabrics well, no residue, and a light, clean scent. These Tide Hygienic Clean Power Pods dissolve completely and deliver a deep, thorough clean every wash, even on tough, sweaty gym clothes and really dirty loads. Tide Pods have proven themselves to be an excellent investment. The pre-measured pods eliminate the need for measuring cups, making laundry a breeze. It also prevents any wastage, ensuring I use just the right amount for each load. Tide Pods have been a game-changer in this regard. Not only have they successfully removed tough stains, but they've also helped maintain the quality of my clothes over time. The colors stay vibrant, the fabric remains soft, and I've noticed far less wear and tear compared to when I used budget detergents. Number 3. Active Mold Stain Remover Gel Cleaner. Introducing a powerful gel cleaner designed to tackle stubborn mold and mildew stains. Its heavy-duty formula works effectively on various surfaces. Keep your front-loader washing machine seal pristine. This cleaner is specifically formulated to remove unsightly stains from this often neglected area. Don't let stains ruin your bathroom's appearance. Use it on grout and shower caulk to restore their original clean look. Experience a deep clean like never before. This solution penetrates tough stains, leaving surfaces looking fresh and new. The convenient gel formula ensures it stays in place to work on vertical surfaces. Simply apply and let it do the hard work for you. This compact 7 fluid ounces bottle contains potent cleaning power. It's the perfect size for tackling specific stain issues around your home. What we like. Target tough mold and mildew with this specialized gel cleaner. It's formulated to penetrate and remove unsightly stains from washing machine seals and grout. If you struggle with persistent mold issues in your laundry area or bathroom, this heavy-duty gel is your go-to solution. What people say. The mold was gone underneath the gel. I took a damp cloth and wiped it, and the gel had the consistency of dried candle wax and just fell to the floor. This stuff made the marks go away completely. No harsh smell either. Just squeeze it on, walk away for a while and rinse off. Caulk looks like new. It works much better than a spray or scrub as the gel has time to sit and penetrate. Number 2. Tide Hygienic Clean Heavy Duty Laundry Detergent. Introducing Tide Hygienic Clean Heavy Duty Laundry Detergent. It offers 10x the cleaning power to tackle tough messes. Enjoy the classic original scent. This formula is also heat compatible, making it suitable for most washing machines. With 59 loads in every bottle, you'll have plenty of detergent for all your laundry needs. This generous 84 fluid ounces size ensures you get a deep and hygienic clean every time. It's designed to be tough on stains but gentle on your fabrics, keeping your clothes looking their best. Experience a new level of clean with this powerful laundry solution. It leaves your clothes feeling fresh and hygienic. What we like. Achieve a deeper clean with this powerful liquid detergent. It's engineered for 10x heavy-duty cleaning and is compatible with e-machines. If you need a reliable detergent for large loads and want to ensure your clothes are thoroughly cleaned, this liquid option is a great fit. What people say. This detergent is highly effective at removing tough stains, even on heavily soiled laundry. The concentrated formula means a little goes a long way, making it a cost-effective choice in the long run. It leaves clothes smelling fresh and clean without any harsh chemical odors. Number 1. Persil Intense Fresh Laundry Detergent Liquid. Introducing Persil Intense Fresh, the ultra-concentrated liquid detergent designed for an everyday deep clean. Enjoy lasting freshness with every wash, no matter the water temperature. This powerful formula tackles tough dirt and stains, ensuring your clothes are impeccably clean. It's ultra-concentrated, meaning a little goes a long way for 110 loads. Keep your laundry smelling great long after it's been washed. Its advanced formula locks in a vibrant, fresh scent that lasts. Whether you use cold or hot water, this detergent performs exceptionally. It's designed to be effective in all water temperatures for your convenience. Our liquid laundry soap is safe for high-efficiency, washing machines. It provides a superior clean without compromising your appliance. Get incredible value with this large 82.5 fluid ounces bottle, providing enough detergent for 110 loads of laundry. It's the smart choice for busy households. What we like. Get more washes with this ultra-concentrated formula. It delivers deep cleaning power and leaves your laundry with a lasting fresh scent. If you're looking for a detergent that provides excellent value and superior freshness for all your loads, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Clothes come out smelling fresh, looking bright, and really clean. Even tough stains don't stand a chance. It's concentrated, so a little goes a long way, and it works great in high-efficiency machines. This product cleans, not just masks the dirt, stain, or odor. It removes the source of the problem. Persil has never caused her the slightest skin irritation. It is a product I know I can clean all of her clothing, without worrying about her having any skin problems. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.